guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, my name is Anna. Welcome. In today's video, as you can already tell by the title, we're gonna be doing an easy, quick, everyday makeup look. I feel this is one of my most requested videos on Instagram. Something that you can wear every day. It will only take 5-10 minutes and you can get out of your house without looking like a zombie. Yeah, super excited to let you know that this video is in collaboration with Sephora. So excited about that. We have partnered up to come and show you guys clean beauty. I know many of you might not be acquainted with the term clean beauty, but that's why I'm here today to explain you a little bit of what it is and why I feel it's something that we should start incorporating into our daily makeup routine. So what's clean beauty at Sephora? So around 2 years ago, Sephora decided that they wanted to have a list of brands that will fall under this clean beauty category basically. And what that means is that they basically wanted to find brands that will create products with ingredients that are only like the good stuff, you know, and not just clean products, but clean products that are gonna deliver results, that are gonna be rich in pigment, that are gonna help you with your skincare. It's not only gonna be makeup, but they are also gonna bring a lot of skin benefits, and I actually find that pretty amazing. So I'm really happy I am now a part of this campaign. And you might wonder how to find out which brands fall under this category, and that's pretty easy. You're gonna find this Sephora Clean Beauty seal online or in the store, and that's it. If you find a product that has the seal, that means that you have found clean beauty products. Now, I know it has been a lot of talk right now, but let's actually move on to a tutorial. I know that's what you came here for. Before I sat down, I already prepped my skin, so it's completely ready for makeup. And now I'm gonna start off by applying my Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40. There's the stuff. Amazing. One thing I completely love about it is that it's so easy to apply because it's like a serum. So it does have like a light coverage, super lightweight. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know I was in Ecuador for about 2 weeks, and this is one of the products that I was using literally every day. I couldn't really talk about it. Look at this stuff. Oh my gosh. Feels so good on the skin. I just don't know how to explain it. It feels like it's hydrating the skin without like the heaviness of the actual foundation, which I really appreciate, especially for an everyday look. This is amazing. Oh, it adds a glow to the skin that is just like so natural. It looks like your skin basically. Moving on, we're going to be applying some concealer. This one right here is by Casas, and oh gosh, you guys are not ready for this. A little bit goes a long way. I wouldn't apply much, especially for an everyday look. It's high coverage. Like this will hide everything. With fingers is the best way to just kind of get it on your skin. Okay, so I know I'm looking a little pale right now. Do not freak out, but I'm about to add some blush, bronzer, and brows. All right, we got some color back. We look alive. Now we need to add some glow, and for that I'm gonna be using the RMS Beauty Living Glow for face and body. It comes with a little sponge. Basically use it for when I want to apply to my shoulders and my collarbones. So I go out like this. You can already see the glow there. Ooh. I feel this is like a staple for when I go out. In Ecuador, I was wearing it a lot, especially when I will wear dresses, because right now over there is beach season and the glow is all you need, you know. Now I am going to apply it on my face, my cheekbones. Oh, so pretty. I feel this is one of those products that can be used to give a very subtle natural glow to your face. Or if you want to look like a goddess, you know, you can just go ahead, add a few layers of this, and you'll be glowing. That's it. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. I am definitely going to add it to the inner parts of my eye, to the inner corner right here. Now, we can move on to our lashes. I am turning into a big fan of just going with my natural lashes, especially after I discovered this Surfer Curl Tartsy mascara. One of the best volumizing mascara I've ever used before. I do 2 coats and that's enough for me to actually see I have some eyelashes, you know. Mine are really short, honestly, but with this it actually looks like I have eyelashes. I'm gonna apply the first coat. Very light hand, I don't go in too crazy, and then I actually let it dry for a few minutes while I do the next one. That's just the first coat. Alright, once we have our second coat of mascara, we can move on with lips. I got 2 options for you. First one is if you are one of those that would like to go for more of like a natural look, very glowy, and that's a lip gloss for you. Then this one right here is by Tower 28. It actually has a really good payoff. Look at that. It's a lip gloss, but it does have some kind of color to it. First option, lip gloss. But now, if you're more of like a bold-ish kind of girl, I would recommend the Bite Cosmetics. This one right here is the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Brandy, and it's kind of like a dark purple-ish color, perfect for an everyday. Something I really love about this one is that it smells real good and it actually tastes good. It's like very fruity like, I'm not sure, but it smells good. Love it. So pretty. A little bit more bold. So there you go, 2 options for your lips. I got you. And that's basically it. Pretty easy, pretty quick. It will not take you more than 5 to 10 minutes to do. Now, with that being said, I do want to mention about why I personally got into clean beauty products. I am a mom. I got pregnant 2 years ago, and once I got pregnant, as much as I love beauty and makeup and skincare, I definitely wasn't really aware of everything that I know now that I've gotten into this journey with clean beauty. My first concern was like, okay, what am I supposed to do now? Like, what products can I use, what products can I not, and what's best for me and my baby? So that's kind of why I got into clean beauty. I will admit I'm not 100% clean beauty now. I would like to be one day, hopefully. But as of right now, I feel like this is a good start. I do have some staples in my beauty routine that are clean. Like today, I show you my staples for an everyday makeup look. And I've been wearing these products that I just show you right now for about a month now, especially for the past 2 weeks that I was in Ecuador. Thank you so much to Sephora for allowing me to be a part of this campaign. So happy I'm getting to know a lot more about clean beauty, and I am now able to share a lot more knowledge about it with my community. So yay, I'm super happy about that. Hope you guys really liked it. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about this. What do you think about clean beauty? Are you into it? Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.